Hi friend, I am Gautam Kumar and you are watching my YouTube channel Tricky Way. Today I am going to discuss how to calculate a square from a figure. So let's start. There are two types of square. One is type 1 is symmetric. Okay, symmetric is symmetric means where row equal to column. Row equal to column. Number of row row equal to column. So row equal to column. Here number of row equal to 5 and number of column equal to 5. So what is the process? Process is that just square it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Just square it. Square the value. That is 1 equal to 1, 2 equal to 4, 3 equal to 9, 4 equal to 16 and 5 equal to 25. So the value is 55. So total number of square for this figure is 55. Is it clear? Okay. Then another type 2. Type 2 means and type 2 is non-symmetric. Non-symmetric means type 2. Type 2 means where row not equal to column. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here row not equal to column and this is type 2 means non-symmetric. And what is the process? Process is that multiply those values. Multiply the biggest number means 4 into 5. The result is 20. Now deduct 1 from every number. Deduct 1 from every number. So 4 minus 1 equal to 3. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. 3 into 4 equal to 12. Similarly, and stop when you get 1 each of the value. Okay. Now the value is 1, so we stop here. And now add those values. Add those values. Forty. So total number of square for this figure is 40. Is it clear? Okay. Then I am going to discuss the exact scenario which we have faced in our examination. Okay. And before going to the original scenario, you have to remember something, that is, when you get total number of square for this figure is 1, 2, means 1 square, 2 square, 1 plus 4 equal to 5. Or you can count it from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and a big square. So total number is 5. So when you see this plus into any square, then there is 5 total number of square is 5. And again, if the scenario is like that, then we know the previous figure was 5 square. So the another square is here. So total number is 5 plus 1 equal to 6. You must be remember to go our original scenario which we have faced in our common examination. Now we are moving to our question. And this is our question. Find the number of square for this figure. So we know for this big square it is 5 and it also 5 and it also 5. Total number is 15. Is it clear? I just illustrate it how it appears. Starting from the inner square, okay, it is inner square. And we just see if square is appear in any square, then total number of square for this figure will be 5. So it is 5. And again one big square is here. So similarly, same thing is applicable for this figure 5 and one big square. So for this square is total number of square is 5. So just plus those 5 equal to 15. So total number of square for this figure is 15. Is it clear? Okay. Then we are going to discuss the next problem which we faced. And next problem is like that. Calculate the number of square in given figure. So we know for this total number of square is 6, and for this 6, and for this 5. Okay, I just going to illustrate how it's appear. Okay, so for your visibility I just clear the board, and starting from the outer square, this was the outer square. So we know total number of square for this figure is equal to 6, and there was one similar shape. So just omit the outer one. So there is also a similar type of square. So for this square, total number of, for this figure, total number of square equal to 6, and rest there is a square, and we know total number of square for this figure is 5. So 17. So number of square for this given figure is equal to 17. Is it clear? Now we are going to our next problem. This is our question, and the solution for this question is, we know for the inner square, number of, it is a symmetric square. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. So inside total number of square is equal to 14, and it is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and big one, 23, big one, 24, big one, 25, and big one, 26, and whole number, and total outside a big square. So 26 plus 26 plus, so number of square for the given figure is 26 plus 1, 27. Clear? So, thank you for watching the video, and do subscribe for more videos, and thank you.